Hey friends, ready for an adventure you'll never forget? Today, we're going swimming with whale sharks. These gentle ocean giants may look massive, but don't worry. They don't eat tourists, just plankton. So your chances of making it back in one piece are pretty solid. Our journey starts right at your hotel. We'll head to the port, where you'll get a quick briefing before we set off. Then it's time to hit the open sea. After an hour or two, we'll reach a protected marine zone, the ultimate whale shark hangout. Now, the real fun begins. You put on your mask, grab your snorkel, jump in, and bam! Right there, the most majestic creature you've ever seen. A whale shark. 30 feet of pure calm and grace. You'll be accompanied by an experienced crew member who will help position you for the best views. And of course, the perfect photos. Safety first. Life jackets are mandatory. Even the strongest swimmers won't argue with that. Ideally, you'll get 2 snorkeling sessions, but if the weather decides to act up, the captain may adjust the schedule for everyone's safety. Children under 5 years old cannot participate in snorkeling. Pregnant women are not allowed to join this tour. According to Mexican regulations, only 10 tourists are allowed on the boat. Only 2 guests, plus the instructor, can enter the water at a time. After our whale shark encounter, we'll head to Playa Norte's stunning turquoise waters near Isla Mujeres. Think crystal clear water and paradise vibes. We won't be going ashore, but you'll have plenty of time to enjoy swimming right from the boat. Meanwhile, the crew will prepare some delicious snacks, fresh ceviche and sandwiches. Because what's an adventure without great food? After a relaxing swim, we'll cruise back to the port, then take you back to your hotel, filled with unforgettable memories, or at least enough stories to last until your next trip. What to bring? Swimsuit, towel, biodegradable sunscreen, and a great attitude. Oh, and don't forget some cash for tips. The crew will definitely appreciate it. This is your chance to come face to face with the friendliest giant fish on the planet. Ready to add some adrenaline to your vacation? Then let's go. Adventure awaits.